pagkain. Oh, salad.
Sige nga ate, ikaw maghanap ng maliit na table. Dali!
Nakalimutan?
Thank you so much. Okay. Here's the instruction. The mechanics of this game. Once the music stops. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No trial. You can make a design of the paper. And what's the timer? We have all the time for this. 15. That's a long time. 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes. I want
5 minutes now.
okay, 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. That's the end of time. 5 minutes. You can make any design out of the paper. Okay? Okay, so the best design. Okay. Timer starts now. That is good.
Wow, like this one.
It seems like
Oh.
this design is designed by
Mahilo na rin ako.
who are the judges of this? 3 minutes remaining at the Rani and Dubai. Dubai will be our judge. Yeah.
Ba, may bulaklak pa. Wow! Wow! Parang may sakit sa cake. Okay? Ah. Oh.
We can see her. Okay, mo na lang naman. Kung galang kita o hindi. Then you want me to want to say chicken. In the next microphone, your response is banana. Okay. Okay, whatever the word the first person says, the responses should be, for example, chicken. The next one is banana. 1, 2, 3, go. Chicken. Banana. Chicken. Banana. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
trying to have your greatest blessing. And yeah, we're very proud of you. We're very happy for you, and we will always be here for you.
I've known Ruth since she came to Canada with this surprise wedding shower.
Bridal shower.
Surrounded with your gifts and your future God, but I don't baby.
Surprise for you guys. I'm so thank you very much.
Wonderful and like me. Yo, thank you so much. So right now, I'm speechless as of this moment because I'm speechless because I cannot make my whole point of speech. So yeah, so thank you once again, and I have here a quote. I just want to read it to you. According to Cicero, this quote highlights the profound impact of gratitude on our character and relationships, suggesting that being thankful is fundamental to the virtues of life. Because I believe, you believe, and we believe that God is love, God is kind, God is patient, and I thank you. One, two, three, smiles.